Hey guys, welcome you all. My name is Surya sir, and today in this particular video we'll discuss about the list of hotel management entrance for 2023 and 24. If you wanna make your career in this hotel management industry, guys, the biggest growing industry is nothing but the hotel industry. Now there are lot of entrance exams, and in this particular video I picked up some of the best entrance exams for you. The NCHM City JEE, the ECHAT for the IIHMs, the Welcome Group Graduate School of Hotel Administration, and here you have to apply for the DT test. After that, IIHM Aurangabad conduct its own exam. Guys, these are the respective institutes, and under these all you will find lot of institutes are there who accepts their respective source. So watch this particular video till the end, because here we'll discuss about why you should prepare for the respective entrance exams. Are you getting such exposure there or placement there, या top recruiters आने वाले हैं to pick you? Guys, yes, there are lot of institutes like the central IHM, we call the Institute of Hotel Management. Yes guys, everyone should target for the IHM first. State IHMs are there, private IHMs are there, international IHMs, as I said, IIHM, okay, and the various hotel management colleges which are the private one. Okay, so batches we already launched. You will get all these features under class: the live class, book study material, shortcut tricks, doubt class, recorded videos, topic tests, mock tests, WhatsApp group, 10,000 plus questions, and the mentorship. Guys, you will get complete motivation and complete guidance about the counseling process, how you will get admission, and if they include the VAT, GD or PI, then you will get the preparation for SEM. So call on respective numbers and book your seat right now for NCHM City JEE, ECHAT, IIHM Aurangabad, and various others. So let's discuss where exactly you have to go. Either for IIHM or IIHM, if you talk about the NCHM City JEE, guys, first of all यहाँ आपको जाना चाहिए. Why? Because top recruiters जो यहाँ visit करते हैं 100% यहाँ placement stats होते हैं. Lot of students also prefer the further study, लेकिन जितने भी यहाँ students होते हैं they got the placement packages, and yes, obviously यहाँ placement package काफ़ी decent होता है. Now hotel industry, मैंने although job roles and packages के बारे में वीडियो बना रखी है. होटल इंडस्ट्री ऐसी इंडस्ट्री है जहाँ आपकी काफ़ी बेसिक से शुरुआत होती है गाइस. Now if you are getting 8K in hand per month, don't worry guys, once you get the experience you will find the better figure ahead. क्योंकि होटल इंडस्ट्री में the most important thing is nothing but the experience, your skills and your knowledge. Yes guys, आपके हाथ में क्या है, वो कला है. You deserve that. Okay, so best packages आपको जरूर मिलने वाले हैं, but when you are passing it through top colleges, अच्छी पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, and then you are again placed in the top notch companies. Okay, IIHMs, now here it's the facility. फी स्ट्रक्चर थोड़ी हाई होने वाली है जरूर IIHMs में, central IIHMs में नहीं होने वाली, but here 3 years you will study in the respective campuses. 8 campuses are there in India and 2 campuses abroad, one in Bangkok and one in Uzbekistan. Okay, now all these 8 campuses, 3 years you have to study here and 1 year at London, because it is collaborated with UWL London and it is collaborated with IGNOU. Now IIHM, it is the Institute of Hotel Management, while IIHM's International Institute of Hotel Management, and that's why the 4th year you will study at London. Okay, there will be internship. Guys, package काफ़ी अच्छे मिलने वाले. Now if मन बना लिया है होटल इंडस्ट्री में जाना है guys, then target top colleges only. Next one you can target, and there are lot of colleges who accepts the NCHM City JEE or the ECHAT score. And these are 22 central government who accept NCHM City JEE score, 28 state government institutes, 1 PSU, 30 private institutes, and 13 food craft institutes, while 8 campuses in India, 2 international campuses, and 55 plus international colleges accepts the ECHAT score. So guys, exposure आपको पूरा मिलने वाला है. Now where exactly you have to go? IIHM Aurangabad or the Welcome Group of Hospitality Management Institutes. Guys, Welcome Group, okay, the University of Manipal, the best among all the private institutes आप बोल सकते हो. First in private hotel management schools, first supreme hotel management institute in India, and 46 out of top 50 hotel management institutes in the world. If you talk about the IIHM Aurangabad, second in Maharashtra, 7 out of top 50 in India, and second out of top 30 private colleges in India. Guys, the best institute I can say, these all are the private one. The IIHM Aurangabad, it is nothing but the Maulana Azad Educational Trust Institute, and it is collaborated with the Taj. And if you talk about the Welcome Group, then it is unit of Dr. TMA Pai Foundation with Hotels Division of ITC Limited. So guys, यहाँ भी career set है. आईटीसी की बहुत सारी कंपनीज है जहां आपको जॉब मिलती है। डोंट फॉरगेट एट ऑल गाइस कि देखो होटल इंडस्ट्री आपसे एक्सपीरियंस मांगेगा। ओके, स्टार्टिंग के जॉब की पैकेज के बारे में फिक्र करनी नहीं है आपको। यू आर जस्ट स्टडीड, जस्ट आपने ग्रेजुएशन किया और ग्रेजुएशन के बाद में डायरेक्ट आप काम पे लग रहे हो गाइस। ग्रेजुएशन के बाद में आपको जॉब की गारंटी कोई नहीं देता, लेकिन होटल इंडस्ट्री ऑब्वियसली हमेशा देती है। आपको ग्रेजुएशन के बाद में तुरंत जॉब मिलता है। नो वन गोज फॉर मास्टर प्रोग्राम, बहुत कम स्टूडेंट होते हैं जो मास्टर प्रोग्राम के लिए जाते हैं। ग्रेजुएशन के बाद डायरेक्ट अगर जॉब मिल रहा है देन वाई मास्टर प्रोग्राम। और मास्टर प्रोग्राम आप कब कर सकते हो? आफ्टर गेटिंग द एक्सपीरियंस। इफ नीडेड देन मास्टर प्रोग्राम आपको करना चाहिए। ओके, सो यू शुड टारगेट टॉप इंस्टीट्यूट्स एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग यू कैन ऑल्सो ट्राई फॉर IIHMs, IIHM औरंगाबाद, वेलकम ग्रुप दैट इज मणिपाल यूनिवर्सिटी एंड द नेक्स्ट वन ये सारे प्राइवेट इंस्टीट्यूट्स, द IIHM मेरुट, the best institutes among the private IIHMs, SRM Institute, Ranjita Institute Hotel Management Catering at Bhubaneswar, Chitkara at Punjab, CCHM Mohali Institute of Hotel Management, Shri Shakti at Hyderabad, Oriental School at Wayanad, Munnar Catering at Kerala, SRM Kanchipuram, Kukreja at Dehradun, People's IIHM Bhopal, Heritage Institute at Agra, जोधपुर इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ होटल मैनेजमेंट JIET, दीवान वर्सेस IIHM मेरुट। गाइस बहुत अच्छे अच्छे कॉलेजेस है, सो यू शुड गो इन ऑल दिस कॉलेजेस। ओके, और प्रेफरेंस अगर आप देना चाहते हो देन पिक any 10 out of all these colleges, IIHM Aurangabad, Welcome Group and all these private ones. Pick any 10, prepare accordingly and then make your career set. Okay guys, so that's all from my side. If you have any doubts and queries, ask me in the below comment section. And yes, want a preparation? Then you can join our classroom sessions at Mumbai. Call on respective numbers and book your seat at Borivali, Vasai and Dadar Center. Pan India students, you can interact live with us, so call on 8828581455 for all exam updates and notifications. Follow our social media handles such as the YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram group. So that's all from my side guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.